Let's look at the dataset first. The dataset has two columns, month and passenger. The month column has the year and the month. Passenger column specifies the number of passengers that flew in that particular month. The dataset is read and passed to the Prophet node. This is the node where the model gets trained. One needs to specify the Y field, which is the target, here the number of passengers, the date column, which is the DS column. There are other hyperparameters which can be fine-tuned to build the best model, be it in respect to accuracy or interpretability. Then we create a future data frame for the time frame we want to make the prediction using the model trained. So here we are creating a future period of 24 months. Finally, we use the Prophet predict model to compute the predictions for the data frame that we created in the previous step. The prediction of the model can be saved to disk or it can just be printed out. Now we'll look at the execution of this particular workflow. So you can see the prediction via the print and rows attached to end of the workflow. The details of the model can be seen in the model browser, wherein you can see the model summary, the features and other metrics. Thank you.